Alright guys, doing the random for break 400 AFC NFC. Alright, we got AFC. We're going to random first. We have Antonio Sosa on top, Brad Lean on the bottom. This is break 400. We're doing the AFC teams first. 5 on the dice roll, guys. Seven. Good luck. Last one. Pittsburgh Steelers on top, Denver Broncos on the bottom. I will be right back to do the NFC. Alright guys, we're back to do the NFC, break 400. NFC teams, Arizona Cardinals on top, Redskins on the bottom, dice roll 5 or greater. Rolling, rolling, rolling. 6. Thinking about that one. Last round. Tampa Bay Bucks on the top, 49ers on the bottom.